Here's how to make a simple homemade air conditioner in just a few minutes. If you don't have air conditioning, this easy trick can provide a refreshing cooling effect during hot summer days. A regular fan only circulates the air and often just blows warm air around the room. With this simple setup, the air can feel noticeably cooler. Start by placing a chair, stool, or another sturdy object of a similar height in front of you. Next, grab a large bowl and fill it with ice-cold water. The colder the water, the better the cooling effect will be. Now soak a towel in the water and wring it out thoroughly. It should be very damp but not dripping. Turn the chair around so the backrest is facing you and place the bowl underneath it. Drape the damp towel over the backrest, making sure both ends hang down into the bowl. This allows the towel to continuously absorb the cold water, helping it stay cool much longer without needing to be soaked again. Place a fan directly in front of the towel and aim the airflow toward yourself. When you turn it on, the air passes through the cool, damp towel, making it feel noticeably cooler than using a fan by itself. It's a simple, inexpensive, and quick way to make a room feel more comfortable during hot weather, especially if you don't have air conditioning. A simple trick that can lower the temperature in your home by several degrees. The key is one small addition that makes the effect surprisingly strong. Air conditioners can be very expensive to buy and consume a lot of electricity, so it's worth knowing cheaper and easier alternatives. Take a large empty bottle and fill it with tap water, but not all the way. Leave some space. Put the bottle in the freezer until it's completely frozen. Once the ice is ready, place the bottle in a high spot in the room. Remember, warm air rises and cool air sinks, so the height really matters. You can also place the bottle in front of a fan to spread the cool air more quickly throughout the room. Don't forget to put a plate underneath to catch the condensation so your furniture or floor doesn't get wet. Now comes the secret ingredient that makes this method so effective. Adding table salt to the water, about 10% salt to 70% water, helps the ice last longer and cool the room more efficiently. With this simple trick, your home will feel pleasantly cool, and you can survive the heat without an air conditioner. When your neighbors see this on your window, they'll think you've lost your mind. A few days later, they'll be doing the exact same thing. Aluminum foil has been used for much more than cooking for many years. Its unique properties make it useful in a variety of ways around the home. Cut a few pieces of aluminum foil so they can easily cover your window. Next, take a kitchen sponge. Add a few drops of dish soap and dampen it with water. Use the sponge to spread the liquid evenly across the entire window. Do not dry the glass. Press the first sheet of aluminum foil onto the wet window and smooth it out carefully. The moisture will help the foil stick without tape or glue. Then lightly wet the foil again and apply another sheet. Repeat the process until the entire window is covered. Smooth each layer carefully, removing air bubbles and wrinkles. Windows are one of the main surfaces through which sunlight and heat enter a home every day. Once installed, the foil creates an extra layer on the glass and reflects a significant portion of the sun's rays before they enter the room. This can help rooms heat up more slowly and make it easier to maintain a comfortable temperature during hot weather. It's a simple and inexpensive trick that many people use in summer to reduce excess heat inside their homes. Here's how to cool your home without air conditioning. A hot, stuffy apartment during a heat wave can be a real nightmare if you don't have AC. Luckily, there's a simple, tried-and-true method that will help you get through those scorching days and cool your space effectively. But before I show you this great idea, remember to avoid basic mistakes that make your place even hotter. Don't open your windows during the day, that just lets in hot air. Keep them covered with blinds or curtains to block the sun and reduce heat buildup. The best way to cool your home is to make your own DIY air conditioner. It's an inexpensive and easy trick that can make a big difference. Start by adding a tablespoon of table salt to a large container. Salt lowers the freezing point of water, so the saltwater ice cubes get colder than regular ice and melt more slowly. Next, Pour in about a quart of water and stir until the salt dissolves. Pour the solution into ice cube trays and freeze it. Once the cubes are ready, drop them into a metal bowl and place it in front of a running fan. The air blowing over the ice will become noticeably cooler, spreading refreshing air throughout the room. It's a clever way to beat the heat even on the hottest days, without spending money on expensive equipment. You don't need to install an expensive air conditioner. This kind of fan can cool the entire apartment. Just take a regular fan and also prepare a styrofoam box, preferably one intended for food purposes. You will also need 2 plastic pipes. Using a pen, trace the ends of each pipe onto the lid of the box. This is important because you will insert the plastic pipes there later. Then, using a heated tool, make holes in the lid. Do this carefully so that the box is airtight once the pipes are inserted. Now prepare the next part of the air conditioner. Take 2 large bottles, such as those used for beverages or water. Cut them so that the upper part remains intact. Then, attach the bottles to the previously prepared pipes, which you can reinforce with tape for better airtightness. If the pipes have plastic ends, cut them off. Use the heated tool again to make 2 holes in each bottle. It is important that they are opposite each other. Pass the pipes with the bottles through the prepared holes in the lid of the styrofoam box. Attach the bottle ends to the fan using zip ties, one on the front and the other on the back side of the fan. This air conditioner is almost ready. All you need to do is put ice into the container. The more ice you use, the colder the air that will be blown out. Just a few seconds after adding the ice and turning on the fan, cold air starts blowing. The effect is amazing. It works like a real air conditioner. This kind of air conditioner is a lifesaver on hot days. You will avoid a large expense and can enjoy air conditioning at home. How to lower your electricity bill when using air conditioning. Air conditioning is a lifesaver, especially on hot days and warm nights. But while it brings comfort, it can also drive up your energy bills. Here are some simple tips to help you save money without sacrificing comfort. First, always make sure your windows are closed when the AC is on. It sounds obvious, but many people forget. And if you're not home, turn it off. Newer AC models can be programmed to switch on just before you return, so you walk into a cool space without wasting energy. On sunny days, keep your windows covered. Use curtains or external blinds to prevent the room from heating up too much. Another key rule, don't set your AC to the lowest temperature. The ideal indoor temperature is about 14 degrees Fahrenheit, cooler than the outside temperature. This keeps you comfortable without overloading your system or harming your health. Regular maintenance is also essential. Clean or service your air conditioner often, and always have a certified technician handle refrigerant refills. Using AC is convenient, but with a few smart habits, you can stay cool without racking up high electricity bills.